Welcome back everybody to another Halloween product review. Today we're going to be taking a look at this creepy old microphone from Gemmy. Now this is a product that I've seen in the stores, in several different stores this past Halloween season, and I never thought anything of it. It didn't seem like it would go with any of my Halloween decorating, so I just, never even bothered to test it. However, I was in Old Time Pottery here in near Atlanta the other day, and they had their Halloween stuff on clearance, 75% off. I love that. And there wasn't much left, but there were several of these microphones. So, at first I ignored it, but then I started thinking about it, and I thought, if I'm going to be doing these YouTube videos, this kind of makes a perfect prop for my videos. So I decided to pick it up. It was 75% off of a $20 retail price. At least that's what it says on the little sticker on the back, which peels off. So I don't know if there's a different price under there. I thought we would take a look, but I think $20 is probably about right for this prop. But I ended up only paying $5 for it. And this sticker is pretty stuck on there, and I don't see any other price under it. So we'll go with that. It was $20 retail. I got it for $5. And I've never actually tried it in the stores, or if I did, it was just in passing and I never paid attention. And I thought we would see what it does together. According to the label here, it speaks spooky phrases, lights up, it's sound and motion activated. Let me go ahead and pop this open, see what it says inside, if anything. It does take, it looks like 3 AA batteries. But I'm not going to read this lengthy bit of jargon here, so we will ignore that for now. And let's just go ahead and press the button and see what it does.
Announcement. Frankenstein's monsters on the loose again. Citizens are urged to stay indoors and away from wells, alleys, and enclosed spaces where the lumbering minutes might strike. The local authorities further urge citizens to refrain from forming mobs, wielding torches and pitchforks, or marching on Castle Frankenstein. We now return to your regular programming, which is already in progress.
I really love the blinking lights. I think that's great. But however, it's like that news report that almost sounds like it would make a better, something off one of those old time radios that we hear, more so than the on-air microphone. Although I guess if you're envisioning it in the right haunted atmosphere, I guess it could be like there is some sort of reporter reading off this news story. But that was about Frankenstein. Let's see what the other ones say.
Closing in around them. In a flash, they saw gray shapes float through the air, passing through the walls and solid objects as if they weren't there. Go away, they said. The 2 teenagers back away from the ghost. The one door not blocked by restless spirits. The door to the basement. Helen threw open the door, and what did she see standing there? Tune in to next week's broadcast to find out.
I love how they leave that on a cliffhanger. I want to know what happens. What's down there? So let's see what else they have to say.
Announcement. Frankenstein's monsters on the loose again. Citizens are urged to stay indoors.
I think that's the same as that first one. Let me go ahead and press it one more time and see if we hear that story again.
Johnny and Helen made their way through the haunted.
So there's only 2 phrases. That's a little disappointing. I guess, it doesn't really specify on here how many there should be. So that's it. With only the 2 phrases, I'm a little disappointed in this prop, but, I really bought it so it could look good sitting, right here in some of my Halloween videos. But other than that, let me know, what do you think? Is this something that you've purchased? Do you like it? I think the kids would probably get some enjoyment out of it. I've heard that the radio one of these actually has a lot of programming on it. I don't know if that's true or not. It's just what I've heard through the grapevine. And I kind of am disappointed that this isn't the same way. I'd like to have heard more of those fun news stories. I mean, they did a good job. Those were very lengthy phrases and you kind of get drawn into it. But then it just ends. So other than that, I mean, for $5, I think it's a great prop. So definitely, if you can find it on clearance, go for it. But that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Until then, take care and happy haunting.